Hi everyone, and welcome to this video. I recently started practicing with gouache. For a long time I've wanted to improve my painting skills, so I started using this HIMI Jelly Gouache set, and it's really helped to inspire me. And I'm trying to work with a bit more of a looser and relaxed style with my paintings. I love working in a technical style with my drawings, where I plan all the stages, but I feel like it's good for me to practice a looser style as well, especially with natural landscape paintings and the forest scene that I'm working on in this video. And working in a more relaxed way will probably also help with the realism of a piece like this, with all the organic shapes. I basically just want these videos to document my learning process, and hopefully my progress. I'm excited to be trying art like this, and it feels like a healthy direction for me, and I'm happy that I can share my process with you. This is actually a photo study, and I'll try to slow down some parts of the video so you can see some of the methods that I was using. And I really hope you enjoy watching this. there we go, that's the painting completed. This one took about 3, maybe 3.5 hours to complete. And I'm so glad I added the rays of light between the background and the foreground. I think it really helped with the depth, and I think it worked out better than I'd expected. And I can't wait to try more photo studies. So let me know what you think of this sketchbook project, and also let me know if you have any art ideas I could try. I also wanted to mention that I have officially opened my shop, so if you're interested in owning a piece of my artwork that I recently worked on, then please check it out, and the link is in the description. Be sure to follow me on socials to keep updated, and thank you so much for watching this video, and for the amazing support. It really does mean a lot to me. I hope you have a lovely day, and I'll see you all soon.